Through 1,000 scenes of Chinese home furnishings, what did you notice? Behind the visible beauty is personalized customization in the sound wave of China's smart manufacturing perfect landing. It is the surging power of Nanxing, driving the iterative upgrading of Chinese home furnishing. Every production base all bear the strong strength of Made in China. Taking the train of Industry 4.0, we use the intelligent brain of digitalization. We drive the production efficiency to climb very fast. We polish every process, strictly build every line of defense. Let the cold machinery learn to think. With the monumental of galloping, drive China's household on the track of intelligent manufacturing. Catch up all the way. Embarking our journey of technological innovation, we surge into the international wave, driving China's home furnishing equipment, breaking the technological shackles, tackling new heights. Based on the precise consideration of the needs, we tailor each planning plan for customers. With efficient and responsive professional services, we strive to maintain every trust. With more recognition, to win more possibilities for the industry. With nearly 30 years of experience in home furnishing, we start from China, taking steps to conquer the world. With the vigor of upward Xin, we drive China home furnishing manufacturing, crossing thousands of mountains and valleys.